A very good morning, my dear students. Today we will solve a second problem of LPP by graphical method. Okay, so question is given like this. Already we solved one page of graphical method. So here this is a belongs to formulation topic. Okay, so question is given like this. Solve the following LPP by graphical method. So here they may ask you around 10 to 12 mark question. Okay, so question is given here. The minimization z of is equal to 20x1 plus 10x2 and subject to a constraint of x1 plus 2x2 less than equal to 40. 3x1 plus x2 is greater than equal to 30. 4x1 plus 3x2 is greater than equal to 60, where x1 and x2 is greater than equal to 0. Okay, so here what we observe in the question is, so here the sign is very important. In the first constraint they given less than equal to, and second equation constraint sign is given greater than equal to. So that question is, that sign is very important to solve this type of problem. Okay, so first step is what? To write all the given constraint into in equation form. Okay na, that is convert all the inequalities of the inequalities of the constraint into equation. So we have that first equation is what? X1 plus 2x2 is equal to 40. So like that 3x1 plus x2 is equal to 30 and 4x1 plus 3x2 is equal to 60. Okay now, so here they given three questions, but whatever the sign is there, whether it is greater than less than equal to, so make it all inequalities equation into equation form. Okay, this is the first step. Okay, understand? So I will repeat. In the LPP graphical method problem, you have to convert first inequalities equation into equalities. Okay, so next, once you converted all these equations into equation form, just to calculate the x1 and x2 values of all the equations by putting by putting x1 is equal to 0 and x2 is equal to 0. Okay now, so give equation number. If you want to confuse, means you can write the equation number 1 2 3 also. Okay, so input equation number 1, that is x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 40. In that you write, just to put x1 is equal to 0. Okay, if you put x1 is equal to 0, means what will get? X2, this 2 will go this side, 2 divided by 20 is equal to what? 20. So here I wrote here x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 0 comma 20. Once you put x1 is equal to 0, again go for x2 is equal to 0. When x2 is equal to 0, x1 is equal to what? Here 40. Here this is become 0, so you'll get x1 is equal to 40. I wrote here. So x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 40. So here the line is passing from what? 0 comma 20 and 40 comma 0. How you got this 0 and 20 and 40 comma 0? So substitute when x is equal to 0, you will get 0 comma 20, and put x2 is equal to 0, you will get a 40 comma 0. Okay, now similar procedure you do in the second equation, that is 3x1 plus x2. Okay, so in second equation, put x1 is equal to 0, you will get x2 is equal to 30. Again, when x2 is equal to 0, you will get x1 is equal to 10. So in second equation, 3x1 plus x2 is equal to 30, passing through line 0 is equal to 30 and 10 is equal to 0. Okay, now in the third equation you do repeat the same procedure. Okay, put x1 is equal to 0 first, so you will get points are 0 comma 20. Okay, and put when x2 is equal to 0, you will get a line that is 15 comma 0. So here passing through line 0 comma 20 40 comma 0, first point indicate x1 value, second point indicate y value. That remember, x1 x comma y, x comma y. Okay, now like that you have to do. Once you calculated all these values, put it into graphs. So I will repeat here two steps. First step is to convert all the inequalities equation into equation form. Then next you put all the values what all the in all the equations, put x1 is equal to 0, find all the x2 value and put x2 is equal to 0, x1 value in the all the three above equations. So you will get 0 comma 20, 40 comma 0, 0 comma 30, 10 comma 0, then 0 comma 20, 15 comma 0. So understand, these are the first two steps. Once you started, take the graph sheet. Okay, so in examination you in the they will give the in graph sheet only, that is in booklet only it is available. Okay, so all these 3 points you have to draw in a graph sheet. Okay, so here in the among these 3 points, the maximum is for x maximum is 40 and y maximum is 30 is there. Okay, so take the graph sheet, write down along x and x2, or you can take x1 and x2 here, so no need to take y also. Okay, consider anything. Okay, so just to mark the horizontal line x1, that is 0 20 30 40. In y axis 0 10 20 30 40. Why you are only limiting 40 here? Because maximum point is 40 only there. Okay, now so consider now take the first point here. Okay, first is 0 comma 20 is there, so just to mark here along x is 0, y is 20. Okay, here y is how much? 20. Just to dark the line on 20, what? X2. Okay, x1 and x2 is given, so x2 is equal to 20 is there, just to dark the line on 20. Okay, next second equation is 40 comma 0. X is 40 is there, just down, just put a point and y is equal to 0. So you got here x 20 y 21 line equation is there, just to draw one line. So that line you give equation number as x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 40. Here I shown in the right hand side. Okay, x1 plus x2 is equal to 40. Okay, similar procedure you follow the remaining two equations. Okay, remaining two equation is what, 3x1 plus x2 is equal to 30. Points are 0 comma 30 and 10 comma 10 10 comma 0. So x1 is equal to 0 and x2 is equal to what, 30 is there. So 30 just to dark the line. And here come to second x1 is equal to 10, so y is equal to 0 x 10. So just two line you draw one vertical line with the help of scale. Okay, so that equation you give as 3x1 plus x2 is equal to 30. So I wrote here in the equation. Okay, similar procedure, similar line you draw from the third equation, that is 4x1 plus 3x2 is equal to 60, passing through line 0 comma 20 and 15 comma 0. So here x is equal to 0 and y is equal to what, y is equal to 20 is there. So 20 and x1 is what, 15 is there. Okay, just to mark. So draw one line with the help of scale. So give name as 4x1 plus 3x2 is equal to 60. Now you drawn all the equations line and you completed it. Okay, now the next step is very very important. From the first equation they given less than equal to. Okay, x1 plus 2x2, where is that equation, x1 plus 2x2, here is there. So sign is given less than means all the line you have to scratch or draw the surface area downwards from this equation. Okay, okay. Second equation sign is given greater than equal to. So from second equation 3x1, so here there is a line you draw in the upward direction. Okay, next third equation is also given greater than equal to. So again this line is also, the third equation line also you draw the line vertical. So once you calculated, once you share this area, then you need to have one common area. So all the lines common areas they will merge, that is a common cross section area. Take that region only. So your common cross section area for all the three lines are A, B, C, D. So just to scratch that line or just to highlight or with the help of some pencil just to dark the just to draw a line vertical line, that is. So this is region is called as a feasible region. What do you mean by feasible region? The region in which all the lines have a common area. Okay now, so that line is called as feasible region. Okay, understand. So once you calculate a feasible region, that point you need to calculate here. Next slide. So right here current point, coordinates, value of z. So in the current point, how many A, B, C, D is a feasible region. Right here A, B, C, D, their coordinates. So at point A, what is the value? 15 comma 0. Right here 15 comma 0. At point B is what, 40 comma 0. At point C is what, value is 4 comma 8. From point C take the scale and measure here 0 to 4 and 18 will be there in the this x2. Okay, here 20, 80 is there. Okay, 18. So similarly D is equal to what, 6 comma 12. From the point D draw one vertical line. There you will measure x1 and x2, you will get the point 6 comma 12. Okay, once you calculated these values, need to have that value of z. How to calculate value of z? 15 comma 0, this is x1 and this is x2. So put all these values in equation number, minimization equation. Z is equal to 20 x1 plus x2 is there. Okay, 20 x1 plus x2, just where x1 and x2 are, you substitute these equation 15 comma 0, you will get the answer is 300. Okay, next at point B 40 comma 0, put these in the minimization equation, you will get an answer what, 800. And at point C 4 comma 18, substitute x1 and x2, you will get a 260 value. Okay, similarly you calculate D, that is 6 comma 12, substitute in the minimization equation, that is z equation, you will get 240. So how to find answer, minimum value of z? So among these values, among 4 values, we got a least value, that is your answer. Okay, so among least value among in this z is 300 is 300, 800, 260, 240. So 240 is the least value. Okay, choose that 260 at 0.6 comma 12. x1 is 6 and x2 is equal to 12. So that is your minimization value from the given question. There is the given question answer. So therefore write minimum value of z occurs at d comma 6 comma 12. Therefore the solution is optimal, and where write x1 comma 6, x2 is equal to 12. So this is about the graphical method problem of minimization problem. Okay, so this question is very important, and this question they may ask you direct question. So very simple is there. Just first step is to convert all the inequalities equation into equation, then calculate the point by substituting x1 and x2. Step 3 is put all the equations points in the graph sheet, then calculate. The fourth step is to find the common region where all the lines equation should be crossed. Okay, that is a common area you have to find out. From that, fifth step is take that common area and make coordinates belongs to which that area. So that area's coordinate you write down here, and along with that you write the value x1 and x2 or x comma y value. Substitute all those values in the minimization equation. Finally you will get the minimization. For example, it is maximization means maximum point you have to write the answer. Okay, so this is about the minimization problem by graphical method. Okay na, so I hope you understand this. Thank you.